How to open Bank of America account online. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Bank of America and further tap on the very first link that appears. You will be led to the official webpage of Bank of America. Here, tap on the login button on the top right of your screen and further tap on the continue to log in button if you want to continue the enrolling process in web itself, and you can tap on the get the app button if you have the application. You will now see the enroll option. Tap on that and you will further be asked to enter the last 6 digits of your card or your account number and your security number or tax ID number. So go ahead and enter these 2 numbers, and if you do not remember your social security number or your tax ID number, then tap on the don't have an SSN or TIN option and recover your details. Once you have entered these details, tap on the continue button and further follow the on-screen prompts in order to complete the enrolling process. So this is how you can open Bank of America account online. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.